You like pancakes, huh? How about Chinese savory pancakes? Come and check it out. Hi, welcome to Layla's International Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make Chinese scallion pancakes. These amazing savory pancakes are crispy on the outside and chewy inside. They are so tasty that you cannot stop eating them. They are inexpensive and easily can feed 2 people for less than $2. If you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Let us start. First, I'm adding 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour. I'm going to save about 3 tablespoons of flour for later. Now is the time for salt. I'm adding a cup of warm water gradually. The dough is coming together. I'm going to remove it from the bowl. This dough is sticky. You should sprinkle some flour to be able to knead it easily, but don't overdo it because you don't want to ruin your dough. I'm going to knead it for about 5 minutes. As you see, our dough is ready. I love sesame oil, but you can use any kind of oil that you like. I'm just going to cover it with oil. I'm going to cover it with a plastic wrap. It's going to rest in the fridge overnight, but if you are in a rush, you can just rest it for about 2 hours. Now the dough has rested overnight, I'm going to make the sauce. I'm going to add around 1 ounce of vegetable oil and 1 ounce of sesame oil because I'm a big fan of sesame oil, but you can add just 2 ounces of vegetable oil. I'm heating it. The oil is heated. I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of flour. And I'm going to save 1 tablespoon for later. Just quickly stir it. I'm adding a little bit black pepper. It's optional. If you don't like it spicy, you don't need to add it. I'm cooking the sauce over the medium heat. When you see the bubbles, it means that your sauce is ready. I'm turning it off. Now I'm going to chop some scallions. I'm using 2 bunches of green onions or scallions. It's time to shape the dough. I'm going to sprinkle some flour. I'm going to create a log. This amount of dough is good for 6 servings, so I'm going to divide it in 6 pieces. I'm going to sprinkle some flour, just flatten it. I'm going to use the rolling pin. I'm going to create a rectangle. Okay. As you see, it's a very thin sheet that is time to assemble it. First, I'm going to brush some of the sauce. The sauce is the key to have a flaky Chinese scallion pancake. If you like it spicy, you can add some chili flakes. It's time to add the scallions. You want to spread it evenly. I'm going to start from this side and gently just roll it. I'm going to grab this side and just pull it over. I'm going to stretch it a little bit. Now I'm going to shape it like a cake. And I put the end on the bottom and seal it. Gently push it and flatten it. I'm going to sprinkle some flour. I'm using the rolling pin. When you create a 7-inch circle, it means that your pancake is ready. Now is the time to pan fry them. I'm going to add some oil. I'm going to heat it. Now the oil is heated, I'm going to add the pancake. After 3 minutes, it's ready to flip over. Wow, look at our Chinese scallion pancakes. They look amazing. They are so flaky that they are almost like a Chinese croissant. You can serve them by themselves or you can make a sauce with rice vinegar and soy sauce. I hope you enjoy them. Bon appetit!